Good morning to all. My name is Virendra of class 10th. As we know, today is 2 October 2020, celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti worldwide. Gandhiji was born on 2 October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat, present day Gujarat. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was a very famous Indian freedom fighter and led many movements like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, salt movement, etc. to free the Indian citizens from Britishers, and he wanted India to be a country with independence. He studied the study of law in South Africa and led many movements in South Africa as well to remove the discrimination on the basis of color. Non-whites were discriminated by whites. Gandhiji was follower of non-violence and satyagraha. He said that if the cause was true and the fight was against injustice, then physical force was not required. So follow peace, follow Mahatma Gandhi, and be the follower of satyagraha. Thank you.